Okay, YouTube, this is the Only Demon's first video. I'm the Only Demon, and today I'll be shooting my gun at those eggs over there at about 30 yards, I reckon, from here. So, I'll just get out my gun and I'll run through my gun first. Okay. Right. Gun, Daystate Huntsman Classic. As you can see, it's a Huntsman Classic there, Daystate. Scope is the Hawk Sports HD infrared. Silencer is the Daystate carbon fibre silencer. Sling is made by a company called Ridgeline. So you can see there, it's the sling. The bipod is done by Edgar and Son. It's a very good bipod, swivel, extendable, hunts, flip back. I'll be shooting Daystate LI pellets, right, and there's 2 blocks of ice as well. And I'll I have to load the pellet and then I'll shoot. And I will be taking my shot. 1 second. So, again. Yeah, there's a 12 foot-pounds restriction. So with the Daystate LI, it's probably nearly 900 feet per second. So, okay. Making more videos. Okay. I've gone through the specs of my gun in my last video. So this video is just going to be me shooting that Coke bottle, which is the red apron over there, at 35 yards on normal distance. Setting up my camera now. Okay. 10 bullets from 177 caliber, and then we're going to see it's full of water, and then we'll see what it's done. 2-litre ball. Okay. One below each time, and it's penetrated through every time, and it's come out the back every time as well. It's gone the whole way through the bottle, and it was full of water, as you can hear and probably see it leaking. It's proof it was full of water, the whole way through a bottle full of water. My old gun couldn't do that, and I thought that was powerful, so shows you the power of the 177. Hopefully soon I'll be getting a scope mount, and then I can do scope cams, but if not, I'll just have to wait a bit. But see you next video. Bye.